Stray bullets got you worried but want to stay under the radar? Meet Inka's new Lexus GX. The rugged SUV's 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 continues to deliver 349 horsepower and 479 lb-ft. The beefed-up Lexus can now withstand shots from an assault rifle and grenade blasts. Inkas has installed new wheels equipped with run-flat tires. Various options are available, including a fire suppression system and CCTV. The new Lexus GX is one of the toughest-looking SUVs on the market, and the crew at Inkas have picked it as their latest project, armoring the GX's exterior all while retaining the standard model's on-road and off-road credentials. If you're a multi-millionaire or a billionaire who'd prefer not to roll around in a blacked-out Cadillac Escalade or Mercedes G-Class, this strengthened GX could be perfect. To keep occupants safe, Inkas has added certified ballistic steel plating to the GX 550's body alongside ballistic glass. The armoring doesn't just offer protection against 7.62mm bullets from an assault rifle but is also strong enough to withstand 2 simultaneous grenade blasts. For those who need to make a quick escape, the Inkas GX 550 has you covered, as it's been fitted with 20-inch wheels clad in new run-flat tires. The GX also looks no different than a normal one, meaning it should slide under the radar and won't attract any unwanted attention. The modifications don't stop there. In addition to armoring the body panels and the glass, Inkas has installed ballistic door overflaps to prevent ammunition from working its way through the door seals. A bulletproof bulkhead partition has also been added to the rear of the SUV, and an armored enclosure helps keep the fuel tank safe from blasts. Inkas then reinforces the door hinges, upgrades the suspension, and offers heaps of options. These include an engine bay fire suppression system, a roof escape hatch, CCTV, night vision cameras, strobe lights, an oxygen filtration system, reinforced bumpers, and a siren/PA system with an intercom. No upgrades have been made to the GX's powertrain, meaning it retains the standard 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine producing 349 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. This engine is coupled to a 10-speed automatic transmission that sends power through a permanent 4-wheel drive system.